Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the new chapter, linear equations in two variables. Okay. So what is this linear equation in two variables? First, a linear word is there. Linear word, just remember the chapter of polynomial. The linear polynomial was that polynomial whose degree is 1. तो इसमें भी क्या है, क्योंकि जो है ये जो इक्वेशन है इसकी डिग्री 1 है, इसलिए इसका नाम क्या है, लीनियर इक्वेशन पड़ गया. ओके. तो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स? एन इक्वेशन विच इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where small a comma small b and small c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. L dot is linear equation in two variables. एक इक्वेशन जो कि इस फॉर्म की होती है ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0, जहाँ पे a, b एंड c आर रियल नंबर्स, यानी द वैल्यूज ऑफ a, b एंड c आर मे बी रेशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर, एंड a एंड b आर नॉट बोथ 0, और a और b उसमें से कोई भी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. जस्ट लुक एट द एग्जांपल कि 3x प्लस 6y प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0. This is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 9. Okay. So now coming to the exercise 4.1. This is question number 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of notebook as x and that of a pen y. So it is given कि let the cost of a notebook is x and the cost of a pen is y. According to question, the cost of a notebook is double of the cost of a pen. So therefore, according to question, x is equal to 2y. That is, x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables for this statement. Now this is question number 2. कि express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each of the following case. So I am taking just these 5 cases. The first case is this, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. इसको हमने क्या करना है, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 फॉर्म में लिखना है और a, b, c की वैल्यू को इंडिकेट करना है. तो जस्ट लुक हियर, what is this question? X minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So now just look here, we can write it. First we can write it in the bracket x. Again we can write minus 1 upon 5y, and finally we can write minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this x can be written as 1 into x, okay, plus this we can write as 1 upon 5 into y, and this can be written as minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is of the form what? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ये किस फॉर्म की है? इस फॉर्म की. ओके. तो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a, दैट इज व्हाट इज रिटन इन प्लेस ऑफ a, 1. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ b, जस्ट सी हियर, y is here, minus 1 upon 5. And what is the value of c here? That is minus 10. It's okay. So what is the value of a? 1. b is minus 1 upon 5 and c is minus 10. Now just look at the b part. What is this? Minus 2x plus 3y इज इक्वल टू 6. तो सबसे पहले मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ. तो व्हाट वी विल गेट, माइनस 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Is it there? Minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. And now what we can write? Just look here. We can write this minus 2x plus 3y plus minus 6 is equal to 0. ये इस टाइप की हो गई. नाउ इसको कंपेयर करो ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0 से कंपेयर करो. तो व्हाट वी हैव ए इज इक्वल टू, जस्ट लुक हियर, दिस इज -2, बी इज इक्वल टू 3 and c is equal to how much? -6. Is it okay? C is equal to -6. Now just look at the part C. X is equal to, this is given 3y. Now shift to this side, what will happen? X minus 3y is equal to 0. X minus 3y is equal to 0. Now what we can write? This one, 1 into x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Is it there? Now just write it in the bracket. 1x plus minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What we have? A we have how much? A की जगह कितना लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? 1. B की जगह कितना लिखा हुआ है? जस्ट लुक हियर, by यानी -3. और C की जगह क्या लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? C is 0. Is it okay? Now just look at part D. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this can be written as how much? 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Also this can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y plus minus 2 is equal to 0 or not? 0 into x plus 1 into y plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What we have? A is equal to 0, b is equal to how much? 1, and c is equal to how much? This is -2. -2. And now just look at the part E. What is given there? 5 is equal to 2x. 5 is equal to 2x. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? इस 5 को यहाँ ले गया. तो what we will get? 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. What we can write? 2x and plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 0 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now just the values in bracket, what we will get? 2 into x plus 0 into y and plus minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 into x plus 0 into y plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What we have? A is equal to how much? 2. B is equal to how much? 0. And c is equal to how much? -5. -5. Is it okay? So in this way, we can find the values of small a, comma small b and small c. Now, here is exercise 4.2 and this is question number 1. कि which one of the following option is true and why? कि y इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5 एज अ यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, only two solutions or infinitely many solutions. You are given a equation. कहता है how many solutions does this equations have? तो what is the meaning of solutions of the linear equation in two variables? Those values of x and y which satisfies the given equation are known as the solutions of the linear equation in two variables. Just look at this equation. When x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5, यानी that is 3 into 0, y is equal to 5. So this is the first solution. Which one? 0 and 5. If we put 0 in place of x, okay, then both the equation satisfied. When x is equal to 1, then just look y is equal to what is there? 3 into 1 plus 5, that is 8. So this is the another solution. The value of x is 1 and y is 8. Suppose x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. 3 to just 6 and 5, 11. And this is the another solution, that is 2, 11. So in this way we can have the many solutions. So therefore the equation y is equal to 3x plus 5 have many solutions because for the different values of x we have because for the different values of x we have the different value of y. Okay, so what is the answer of this? कि the linear equation y is equal to 3x plus 5 has many solutions because for different values of x we have the different values of y. Okay, now this is question number 2 कि write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Now this is question number 2 and this is first part कि write the 4 solutions. Write the 4 solutions for each of the following equations. This is part 1. 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus y is equal to 7. So here we can write y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now put when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, then y will be 7 minus 2 into 0. So y will be 7 minus 2 into 1. x के 1 रख देंगे. Here y is equal to 7 minus x के क्या रख देंगे? 2x is 2 into 2. And here y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. Okay. So just look here. How much? 7 minus 2 into 0, that is 7. 7 minus 2 into 5. 7 minus 2 to the 4, that is 3. And 7 minus 2 3 is 6, this is 1. So this is the now these are the solutions. The first one, what is the value of x? 0, then y is 7. So 0 comma 7. Again 1 comma y is 5. At x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So this is 2 comma 3. And this is at x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. So 3, 1 is the solution. So these are the 4 solutions of the linear equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. And what are those solutions? 0 comma 7, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. Just look at the second part, that is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. So from here we can write y is equal to what will happen? 9 minus pi into x. Pi x plus y is equal to 9, therefore y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Now put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0, that is 9. When x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1, or pi into 1 is pi, that is 9 minus pi. Suppose x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2, that is 9 minus 2 pi. When x is equal to 3, then we have pi is equal to 9 minus pi into 3, that is 9 minus 3 pi. Okay, so these are the values of y for the different values of x. Therefore, solutions are, देखिए पहला क्या था आपका, x इज इक्वल टू 0 पे 9, ठीक है. फिर था 1 कॉमा 9 माइनस पाई. फिर क्या था 2 कॉमा 9 माइनस 2 पाई and 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. Therefore the solutions are 0 comma 9, 1 comma 9 minus pi, 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi and 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. ठीक है. Now this is third part. That is x is equal to 4y. X is equal to 4y. Now here we can write y is equal to x upon 4. Y is equal to x upon 4. So now when x is equal to 0, x is equal to we can write 4. जहाँ पे अपॉन में वैल्यू है वहाँ पे जो है इस 4 के मल्टीपल को जो है हम x की वैल्यू ले लेंगे. जैसे x इज इक्वल टू 4, वी कैन टेक x इज इक्वल टू 8 एंड वी कैन टेक x इज इक्वल टू 12. इज इट क्लियर? भाई जहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा आता है डिनोमिनेटर में x अपॉन 4, देन देयर यू विल टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ x द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. जैसे x इज इक्वल टू 0, तो व्हाट विल हैपन y? y विल बी 0 upon 4, that is 0. When x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 4 upon 4, that is 1. Then y is equal to 8 upon 4, 8 upon 4, and this will be 2. Y is equal to 12 upon 4, that is 3. So now therefore, what are the required solutions? Just look here. First we will write the value of x and then y. 0, when x is 0, then y is 0. When x is 4, then y is 1. When x is 8, then y is 2. And when x is 12, then y is 3. So these are the required solutions. These are the required solutions. Now this is question number 3rd. कि check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. हमें चेक करना है कि ये जो आपको कोई ऑर्डर्ड पेयर गिवन है इसमें से कौन x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 4 का सॉल्यूशन है और कौन सा इसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd. You are given the equation. The equation is given x minus 2y is equal to x minus 2y is equal to 4. ठीक है. इसमें हमने जो है अब इसके सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करने हैं कि कौन सा पेयर इसका सॉल्यूशन है और कौन सा नहीं. आई एम स्टार्टिंग विथ पार्ट दिस वन 3rd. हमें क्या चेक करना है कि x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 4 का क्या दिस 40 इज द सॉल्यूशन और नॉट. 40 इज द सॉल्यूशन और नॉट. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो पहला वाला होता है दिस रिप्रेजेंट x एंड दिस लेटर वन इज रिप्रेजेंट y. तो हम क्या करेंगे इस इक्वेशन में पुट x इज इक्वल टू 4 and y is equal to 0 in the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. So what will happen? Just look, in place of x we will place 4 minus 2 into 0, that is equal to 4 minus 0 and that is 4 and this is equal to the right hand side. Okay, तो is equal to what? Right hand side. तो क्या हो रहा है इसमें, since by putting x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 the equation is satisfying. So therefore 40 is the solution. Now we have this 4th part. Under root 2 and this is given 4 under root 2. 4 under root 2. Now this is the value of x and this is the value of y. तो क्या करेंगे इक्वेशन में, ये x माइनस 2y में हम क्या कर देंगे, x की जगह अंडर रूट 2 और y की जगह 4 अंडर रूट 2. नाउ सिंस x माइनस 2y इज इक्वल टू गिवन है 4, पुट दीज वैल्यूज, पुट x is equal to under root 2 and y is equal to 4 under root 2 in x minus 2y is equal to 4. So then what will happen? Just look here. In place of x we will write under root 2 minus 2 into what is the y, 4 under root 2. So this will be under root 2 minus 2 4 ja 8 under root 2. So this will become how much? Suppose under root 2 is x, x minus 8x is minus 7x. So this will become minus 7 under root 2, and which is not is equal to right hand side. Because the right hand side, what is the right hand side? 4. right hand side मेरी 4 है और इसमें x की वैल्यू अंडर रूट 2 एंड y की वैल्यू 4 अंडर रूट 2 पुट करने पे वैल्यू कितनी आ जा रही है? माइनस 7 अंडर रूट 2. तो देयरफॉर this under root 2 comma 4 under root 2 is not a solution. This is not a solution. Okay, one more part is there, 1 comma 1. Just look at this part, 1 comma 1. तो put in this equation x माइनस 2y इक्वल टू 4. इसमें जो है x जगह 1 रखो, 1 माइनस 2 इंटू 1 दैट इज 1 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 विच इज नॉट इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. इसका मतलब क्या है कि 1 कॉमा 1 इज नॉट अ solution. This is okay. Now this is question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. क्या दे रखा है आपको कि since x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of what? The equation is given 2x plus 3y is equal to k. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Since x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this, then अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू 2 पुट कर दूं और y की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर दूं तो ये इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी. तो देयरफॉर 2 कॉमा 1 विल satisfy the equation. Which one? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. और क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करो, x की जगह 2, 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 3 इंटू y इज हाउ मच? 1 इज इक्वल टू k. तो दैट इज हाउ मच? 2 2 जा 4 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू k. दैट इज 7 इज इक्वल टू k. और k is equal to 7 is the answer. K is equal to 7 is the answer. Now this is exercise 4.3 and I am taking the question number second first. पहले मैं किस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट कर रहा हूँ? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को. क्वेश्चन इज दिस कि गिव द इक्वेशन ऑफ 2 लाइन्स पासिंग थ्रू 2, 4 एंड हाउ मैनी मोर सच लाइन्स आर देयर एंड वाई. हमने जो है 2 लाइन के इक्वेशंस देनी है जो कि 2, 4 से जाती हैं. सीन्स द लाइन्स pass through the point 2, 4. Therefore, the point 2, 4 will satisfy those lines. Now just look here, this is the first line, x 2x plus 3y. This is the first line, and another line is x minus 8y. अब इक्वल टू में क्या लिखेंगे वो हमने चेक कर लेना है. देखिए, इन प्लेस ऑफ x मेरे को रखना है 2, तो दैट इज 2 इंटू 2 प्लस y की जगह कितना रखना है मेरे को 4, तो दैट इज हाउ मच 2 2 जा 4 एंड 12, दिस इज 16. तो पहली इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी मेरी 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 16. और दूसरी वाली में देखिए आप, तो क्या बन गई मेरी पहली इक्वेशन, यहाँ से देखिए 2x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 16. ओके, अब दूसरी इक्वेशन के लिए x माइनस 8y. अब x की क्या रखूँगा 2, तो 2 माइनस 8 इंटू 4 दैट इज 2 माइनस 32, दैट इज माइनस 30. तो दूसरी इक्वेशन क्या बन गई मेरी, x माइनस 8y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 30. So these are the two lines which are passing through the point 2, 4. And now the question is this, कि how many more such lines are there and why? Now just look here. Since this is the coordinate of a point 2, 4, and by the geometry we know that through a point many line can be passes through. क्या होता है, एक पॉइंट से बहुत सारी लाइन पास थ्रू होती हैं. तो देयरफॉर व्हाट विल द क्वेश्चन, तो देयर विल बी many lines which pass through which point 2, 4, because through a point many lines can be drawn or passes through. तो क्या हो जाएगा कि there will be many lines which pass through 2, 4. Reason is this कि because through a point many lines can be drawn or passes through. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.